give me sunshine, yeah, yeah.
Welcome to the Instant Tutorials by the Ruggeds, where every week we teach you a new breaking technique. And today, my name is Nick, by the way, and today we're gonna do the awesomest, super coolest Kung Fu funky ninja roll. Sorry for the name, don't know the name, but here we go. Let's go. Like and subscribe while you're ready. Okay, so basically what this thing is a roll that you see in old school, super cool, funky ninja kung fu movies, and we're about to get into it. So the first thing I want you to understand is that this roll is all about momentum, yeah? So the momentum that you give it in the beginning, you're gonna pull it all the way through until the end. So if you start out weak, it's not gonna give you enough energy to get through the entire motion. First thing you want to do is you want to understand like the direction of where you're going. What I like about this move is that it's, I don't know, it gives you a type of freedom. It feels like you can't fall anymore once you know this move. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to stand on your left leg and you're going to let yourself fall to the side. So like this. We're going to catch ourselves with our left arm. From here, we're going to do a little wave. And the wave, this technique actually, it applies for a lot of different moves, but the thing you're trying to do is like how you would do a wave. You go from your wrist to your elbow to your shoulder, and when you roll out to the other side, you again continue shoulder, wrist, elbow. That's this. Yeah. Where's the watch? Oh yeah, okay. So elbow, wrist. Yeah. So you start here on your left. Your right leg is going to be your kicking leg. So this one is going to give you the momentum to pull through. Start here, go to the side. This hand, you can use it like as a kind of control hand. So this one is catching your weight. This one is your steering hand. Go back a little bit. From here, go to your elbow, to your shoulder. Now this leg is going to kick. And it's going to kick you around. So you roll to the other side. Yeah, so now I'm in the middle of my back. I go to my other shoulder. So I end up here. Yeah. I'm here. From here, now I'm going to use my left leg to kick myself up, roll up to my elbow, go all the way to my wrist, my hand, and push out. Right? So, super cool, funky ninja kung fu roll. Like this, left hand, like you see, like I'm already trying to add some flavor to it. No, okay. I'm just giving myself some momentum. So when I'm going here, I'm gonna make sure that my right leg already starts kicking. Yeah? So you go, you kick, and you kick again. Now, was that cool? Was that funky? Was that awesome? Let's do it a little bit with a bit more speed. So we start here. Watch the technique in the arms. Watch the momentum of the kicks. Here, here, and kick. Yeah. Bit more speed. Yeah. If you want, at some point, you're gonna start to feel that you can, if you really divide the momentum, divide the force, you can do it also without really using your hands. Yeah. Then it gets extra funky. Extra cool. So, all there is to do right now is to go and practice, to like and subscribe. Yeah, make sure you check all the other tutorials. My name was Nick, and I'll see you next week. The rhymes.